The Redmi K70 lineup is arriving on November 29th. Today, just 5 days before the announcement, the Xiaomi brand revealed the design of the phone in its two colors, white and black. There will be 3 cameras, lined up in a square formation together with the LED flash, and the design looks a lot like the Xiaomi 14 series, but the island here spans from one end to another. The brand also revealed some lovely details about the new flagship duo. The screen will be a 6.67 panel, but the phone will keep a relatively slim body, only 74.9mm thick. There will be no curved sides, everything is flat, although the camera bump is pretty visible. Meanwhile, a leak from one retailer revealed all the memory combinations and colors of the Redmi K70 and Redmi K70 Pro. RAM will be at least 16GB in all configurations, while storage will reach 1TB. Redmi showed off its flagships in white and black, but there are also blue and purple versions. The November 29th event will be big for Redmi. We will also see a new laptop called Redmi Book 16 2024, a Redmi Watch 4 wearable, and the Redmi Buds 5 Pro TWS earphones.